Guys, and welcome back to this week's video. I'm doing a makeup tutorial using the Wet n Wild 40 palette. I'm not doing a voiceover for this video, but if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. If you guys want more tutorials with this palette, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next week.